Hey Anita, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So what I understand from what you said is when you yourself test it, you're able to see the contact in your account. But when you send your link to your client and they test it, you don't find the contact. Now what I did was I just copied the link that you sent me, and the one that you sent me directly, as you can see, I have not opened up your account. So do you see like this? So this is the exact link that you sent to your client. Do you see this? This is the link that you particularly sent me, not from your account, because I haven't opened your account. So I'm going to go ahead and go to this link. Okay. Now that it has opened that part of it, I'm just going to use this and scroll down. So I'm going to use Akram. No, shut up. Ronaldo. Very pregnant. Ronaldo. No. Let's use David Akram. Okay. 1. I'm going to click on Enterprise Draw. Alright, so now that it has gone through that, I'm going to pause this and open up your account. Okay? Okay, so I just opened your account. As you can see, it's still loading. Okay, it's done loading. So this is your account. I'm going to go into ClickFunnels, go to your funnels. I think, yeah, Help a Friend 2020. Okay, this is the link that you sent me, as you can see, which is what I tested here from the normal one you sent me. I'm going to go into contacts, and as you can see, it's saying unknown name, which by the way you said is fine with because of the way you set it up. Now I'm going to click, as you can see, it says 1 minute ago. So I'm going to click on unknown. I'm going to go into general information, scroll down. Friend's name is Akram Ronaldo. Pregnant is very pregnant. Referral name is David Akram. So I mean, this is working fine, and this is where the email is, and the number here. Like I said, if you want this to say Akram Ronaldo or Akram Hamid or Anita Guerrero, you change it from the custom type into the full name. But as you can see, that the link that you sent me is what I used, and it's showing me the friend's name, pregnant or not pregnant, and referrer name. This is working fine on our end, and whoever you send that link, it should work fine because I just tested it myself again, and I used only your link. I didn't use the one from the funnels. So probably just ask the person that you're sending it to do it again, because I think they're not doing it the way they're not signing up for the thing. But it is working on my end. I mean, if you want to send me a video like this, showing me what I just showed you right now, which is basically just using the link, putting in your details, and not being able to find the details here, then that's fine. Please send it to me so that I can see exactly what you're seeing and understand this better for you. But I've tested this like 5 times right now, and every time I do find the results as we set it up earlier. So yeah, let me know. Bye for now.